Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to install the buttons, okay? But as a project, you can make it as a cable organizer, as a fold like this, or as a loop, depends. Let's see the tools. Scrap piece of leather, knife, setter, lots of setter. I will show you how different they are. It may affect to your works. And let's begin. So right now I will put the buttons here and underneath here. Okay, but then for the setter you have to see, compare these two. Sometimes this is nice, but then the flat surface will make the button more so it might ruin. But this one have the dimension shape, so it's gonna be follow the button design. Okay, complete. Finish now the install the buttons here, so you can use as a cable organizer. And thank you for watching. If you are new here, please like or subscribe. I will launch a new video every Saturday. See you next time.